Top 10 Facts About Prague. Number 1, Prague is the capital and largest city of the Czech Republic, located in the central part of the country. Number 2, the city's history dates back to the 9th century, and it has been an important political, cultural, and economic center for centuries. Number 3, Prague is known for its beautiful architecture, particularly its Gothic buildings such as the Charles Bridge, St. Vitus Cathedral, and the Old Town Square. Number 4, the Charles Bridge is a famous landmark in Prague that spans the Vůl to the river. It was built in the 14th century and is lined with statues of saints. Number 5, the Old Town Square is a historic area in the heart of Prague, surrounded by beautiful buildings such as the Church of Our Lady Before Teen and the Old Town Hall. Number 6, the Jewish Quarter, also known as Josefov, is a historic area in Prague that was once home to a large Jewish community. It is now home to several synagogues, including the Old New Synagogue, the oldest synagogue still in use in Europe. Number 7, the Prague Castle is a massive complex that has served as the seat of Czech rulers for centuries. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and includes the St. Vitus Cathedral, the Royal Palace, and the Golden Lane. Number 8, the city is also known for its many museums, including the National Museum, the Museum of Decorative Arts, and the Museum of Communism. Number 9, Prague is also famous for its nightlife, with many bars, clubs, and music venues to choose from. The city is particularly known for its beer, and the local Pilsner Urquell is a must-try for any beer lover. Number 10, the city is also a popular tourist destination, receiving millions of visitors each year. It is known for its beautiful architecture, rich culture, and delicious food.